Do you just want a planner to help you do something in your agent workflow? That's what we're going to build with OpenAI's Agent Kit Planning Helper template. So that's what this video jumps into. This is Jeff Bernard with Solve Systems, and if we can help you with any of your automation workflows or any of your dev help, please reach out. Like and subscribe also to get the other videos in this series. And without further ado, let's jump into the Planning Helper template. Okay, so we're in the main window and we'll go into the Planning Helper template. And what's very interesting is it handles a lot of the reasoning behind the scenes, right? So we have a start node, we have a triage agent. So this gives us the ability to understand the key details that we need. We get the condition here, so it's going to meet our conditions. And also, then it goes into get more data from the person, collect the missing data from the user, look through the conversation to extract the following, and it has all of these details. So you need to meet those criteria in order for it to launch the helper. Okay, and then this is the helper right here. So come up with a tailored plan to get the user. So it's conditional logic driven through prompts, basically. Okay, so let's try it out. I need a plan, and then it's going to return, go through the nodes, and then it's going to come back. Okay, right, to create a plan, we need the initiative, the goal, etc. Okay, so let's create the plan, target time frame, initiative. Let's say add this agent into a app front end. What's the time frame? 2 days. Okay, and then who and what do you have? Okay, so I have one developer using cursor. And actually, you know what? I'm going to copy this, and then we'll just add 2 goals to illustrate a further point. So it's going to run through the conditioning. Okay, then it's going to say one more final detail. Please give us the resource capacity, right? So resource capacity is one developer using cursor to build this into a front end. Get on Microsoft Azure using a serverless architecture. For some reason, architecture always like flummoxes me when I need to spell it. Okay. Okay, and we're gonna shoot that off and see. Okay, so now we're launching the launch helper, right? And we're gonna get a detailed plan by plan. Okay, so let's see, risk mitigation. Let me know if you want me to add any specific further details, right? So it's grounding it all in this conditional logic, which is pretty interesting. And let's say, please give me the cursor prompts to do this. Just, right? We're just chunking it all out there. Okay. So here's a step-by-step guide, and it's going to start giving it to you. So you can imagine, right, already we're getting somewhere. Say we want to build some coding helper or some planner into some business process, right? We'd have to define all of the details, but this would basically get this set up. And you can see kind of where this is all heading, where OpenAI would certainly get this to where you're describing the workflow and it's setting it up, and you can test and run it. So we can combine all this, right? And as we talked about in a prior video, you're able to integrate this with the REST API via the chat kit and the agent SDK in TypeScript or Python, right? So if we wanted to prompt it further, we can get all this done, and then we could integrate this into a front end or a back end via the REST API, kind of whatever you want. It's very interesting, and if you need help with developing any AgentKit stuff, please reach out. Have a good one.